democratic Republic of the Yoruba. This is a wind of change. Wind of change that blows all over indigenous Yoruba people of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. Names of our states in Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. Former Oyo state is now state of Ibadan. The capital is Ibadan. Ibadan is the capital of Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. Wind of change, wind of change. Former Lagos state is now state of Eko. The capital is Ikeja. Wind of change, wind of change. Former Otun state is now state of Olumo. The capital is Abeokuta. Wind of change, wind of change. So let's embrace it. It's a wind of change. Wind of change, wind of change. Former Ondo state is now state of Ikare. The capital is Ondo. Wind of change, wind of change. Former Osun state is now state of Arakbichi. The capital is Arakbichi. Wind of change, wind of change. Former Ekiti state is now state of Oroleke. Wind of change, wind of change. Former Kwara and part of Kogi states are now state of Oloyo Empire. Wind of change, wind of change. The capital is Iteba. All cities, towns, suburban Democratic Republic of the Yoruba.